Refer to book. Refer to article Poisson's ratio. Page number is 7/14, article number 15. A wire of length L, radius R. When you apply some weight, the length increases. What about radius? Radius decreases. This is how you convert a thick wire by using a machine into a thin wire. Now the length has increased, delta L. The radius has decreased, new radius is R dash. R dash is less than R. Poisson's ratio is defined as is the ratio of, yes, Poisson's ratio is the ratio of, yes, yes, lateral. There are two types of strain. One is lateral, longitudinal. Lateral strain. Longitudinal strain we have already covered. When you say lateral, means along the length, along this line. Sorry, when you say longitudinal, that is something which we have covered. So I will write first the longitudinal strain, delta L by L. It is positive. Increase in length is positive. Lateral means in a direction perpendicular to length, that means transverse. So you can say lateral is another name to transverse. Lateral is what? Change in radius over original radius. Issue here is, if you increase the length, delta L is positive, so R dash will be less than R. That is why the sign is negative. So Poisson's ratio is lateral strain to longitudinal strain minus delta R by R divided by delta L by L. Negative sign shows what? If length increases, radius decreases. Competition question. Theory value for Poisson's ratio is what, and what is the significance? Practical value for this is what? First line, theoretical value Poisson's ratio for all substances lies between, yes? This is theory value or practical value? Theory. Means in theory, its value negative is possible. We'll discuss what it means. And practical is 0.5. Practical value is positive. Theoretical value can be negative. When you say its value is positive, delta L by L is positive, delta R by R is negative, this negative and negative is positive. This is what is shown in the diagram. As per theory, there will be in future some material. When you apply force, its length will increase and its radius will also increase. That means material under stress will have more volume than its present volume. That is why theory, both negative and positive is possible. Practical, as in today, this value is only positive. Means what? For all materials as on today, if you apply weight, the length increases and the radius decreases. Time with you is 3 minutes to write. Refer to numerical number 15, 1-5. Numerical is one end of a nylon rope of length 4.5 centimeter and diameter 6 millimeter is fixed to a free limb. A monkey weighing 100 Newton jumps to catch the free end and stays there. Find the elongation of the rope and the corresponding change in the diameter. Given Young's modulus of nylon 4.8 into 10 power 11 and Poisson's ratio 0.2. Write what is given in order. Length, how much? 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. 1. Diameter, we'll write everything in terms of radius. Radius is equal to, yes, dia is 6 mm, so radius is 3 mm, 3 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. Monkey weighing 100 Newton means what? Mg, weight attached, force equal to mg, force applied is how much? 100 Newton. Find what? Young's modulus is also given. Young's modulus is given. How much? 4.8 or 5? 8. 4.8 into 10 raised to power 11 Newton per meter square. Poisson's ratio is given as 0.2. You have to find out what? A part. Yes. Find elongation of the rope, delta L. 1 minute with you. Formula, Young's modulus is equal to stress by strain is equal to F by A L delta L. Means what? Extension delta L is equal to F L A Y. Area is equal to what? Pi r square. Force is given. How much? Yes, 100. Length is given 4.5 into 10 power minus 2. Area pi r square. R is given 3 into 10 power minus 3. Young's modulus is given. 1 minute for calculation. It comes out to be delta L. You can leave the calculation part. I will just write down. So 3.3 into 10 power minus 5. After some time you can confirm. B part, yes. B part is what? Leave the calculation part, please. Refer to the B part. Change in diameter. Change in diameter is 2 times change in radius. So this is what you need to find out. Poisson's ratio is what? Ratio delta R by R over delta L by L with the negative sign. Means what? Delta R by R is equal to what? Or delta R is equal to what? Poisson's ratio delta L by L into R, correct? Sign, you can keep this as minus delta R, not a big deal, because we are interested in magnitude only. You want to find out change in dia. Change in dia is what? 2 times delta R. So that means if you multiply both sides with 2, so what you get is 2 times delta R. Only magnitude is equal to this change in dia. Magnitude is 2 times delta R is equal to 2 times Poisson's ratio this one into delta L by L into radius. Value, Poisson's ratio given how much? 0.2. Delta L, yes, previous part A, 3.3 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. Original length 4.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. Radius of the wire, yes, radius of the wire 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Calculate and confirm that you get 8.84 into 10 raised to the power minus 9. 8.84 into 10 raised to the power minus 9 meter. Confirm. Anyone with the answer, please? 10 raised to the power? First part or second one? 10 raised to the power minus 7. 10 raised to the power minus 7. So you will confirm, fine.